This video is an appendix to the first video about the PVC pipe web dashcam thing. So here we have a T, and then we have two end caps, and they're not glued, they're just taped together so they can be undone anytime. At each end cap, we drill it out so that each of the cameras can fit in exactly. So cameras have a body diameter of 21 millimeters. As you can see, there's no budging of the lens. That's important for vibration. On the other end of the camera, comes out to about here on both sides. The cables come down the T through the coupler, and I drilled a hole at the front of the coupler, so one cable for each camera comes out in front. I put this guy, which is flat, and then what we do is we create a gap, and the gap is exactly the same size gap that GoPro uses for its buckle. And that's why we still have quick release. So what I can do is this. Let me zoom in. You see the gap there. I can take the buckle and I can just about slide it in. Here, I put it in. It's very tight, doesn't move around, and it's still quick release. Now, on the turtle deck, I can place the buckle just about here. Notice this buckle is slightly curved. There are straight ones and there are curved buckles. I think the curved one fits just right on this, on my Snook. This is a straight buckle, a third-party straight buckle. As you can see, it rocks. Mine, the curved buckle fits exactly. There's no rocking. Now, bear in mind, these buckles are made out of nylon. They're not made out of aluminum. So buckles will fail eventually. So it's important to use duct tape around the buckle. So here's an example of a buckle that failed after about a year and a half of use. So here's the buckle. Here's the piece that failed. So because the vibration from velomobiles is very severe, the buckle will eventually fail at the weakest points. Okay, I hope that answers every question that people might have about the system.